Coming up, we have a Lazer that is going to blow your mind. All kinds of great personalized stuff for your workshop, for your home, and for your garage. You don't want to miss it. Stay tuned to Motorhead Garage.
Motorhead Garage, the program that each week introduces you to and shows you how to install the latest in exciting and innovative products for your vehicle. Motorhead Garage is presented by NHOU Protective Coatings. Now here's your host, Dave Dobson.
Welcome to Motorhead Garage, presented by NHOU Protective Coatings. As you can see, our friends from AP Lazer are here, and we're having a great time doing some cool projects, including one we'll show you later here on that barrel. As you know, with AP Lazer, lots of cool automotive stuff you can do. We've seen rods and pistons engraved. We've seen car panels. We've seen an entire hood done. And you know what? If you have tools, you can do something cool like this. Personalize it for yourself or for a friend. And this one says David on it. I wish it were mine. It's pretty cool looking, but it actually belongs to my buddy David over here. He is with Mayhem Lazer. And David, you've got all kinds of cool stuff you brought in with you, and you've been working with AP Lazer for a couple of years. What do you love about AP Lazer?
I love the fact that you can literally do just about anything with the open architecture. They have pretty much any materials, you know, anywhere from a wrench to wood products, tumblers. I mean, just anything you can think of, it can be done one way or another.
And you touched on the open architecture. Explain that.
AP Lazer has a patent on having an open bottom, so they have a Z-table on their bigger machines that comes out, so you can roll literally anything from barrel, casket, granite headstones, anything you can think of.
Wow, and you do some of these barrels on the tops as well, so what do you do to accommodate for that?
For that, my machine, I built some leg extensions, so mine's lifted just slightly higher. But I'm able to, with that lift, I'm able to roll the barrel directly under there just like this, center it up, engrave it, and then whenever I'm done, I just roll it over on its side, and I can do the sides of it as well.
So virtually any size object, as long as it fits under the table, it's going to work. In any material, basically. I've seen all kinds of stuff here. Now tell me some of the stuff you brought in. This piece with the windrows on it is something we just pulled out of there, and it looks fantastic already without any finish.
Yes, I do a lot of barrel stuff. That's probably my biggest seller, but this whiskey barrel we just did, this one's not finished yet. This one over here is one that I've already finished.
The beautiful pieces, and you know, you take something that's plain Jane as a barrel or a piece of wood or a door and make it into something personalized. That's what really makes it special, doesn't it?
Yes, it does. Definitely a big hit with you know, veterans, especially police officers, first responders. I do a lot of work for all of them as well. Everybody really loves it.
Let's talk about some of the other pieces you've brought here. Just a regular drink mug here, but it's no longer just a regular mug because you have changed it and customized it.
Oh yeah, do a lot of tumblers. We can put that on our rotary device and it'll actually rotate as it engraves the way we need it to. I've used it for the rotary device for even mini barrels that I've ordered from different places and done them that way too.
What's it like to go from things like these plates to something like wood and to go back and forth? How hard is that transition?
It's all actually pretty easy. The Z-table just rolls in and out, so if you're going from a bigger piece to a smaller one, you just roll it right back underneath there. And as far as different materials, it's really just changing your speed and heat settings. So as long as you have those baseline settings, you can literally go from one thing straight into another just seamlessly.
How do you learn about what to do for which materials?
AP Lazer, they have a chat line that you can call anytime, 24/7 tech support. They also, with their machines, it's a turnkey package, so they'll give you a laptop, everything else you need. And on that laptop will actually have all the baseline settings for your general materials for, you know, whether it be wood, coated metals, acrylic, glass, anything like that will all have a baseline setting, and then you can play with it from there and see what you like.
And they give you great tech support, but how do they connect you with other users as well?
They also have some very active Facebook pages. They have a before you buy page if you're interested in buying and kind of want to talk to some of us who already have machines, see what we're doing. A lot of us post a lot on there. And then we also have a user group page for after you've already gotten a machine, and a lot of us bounce ideas off of each other on there. If we know somebody's done, you know, a lot of cups and you're trying to figure out your cup setting, can't get it right, you can say, hey, what did you use? And there's always somebody very quick to respond to where you can go either way with it. You
told me a great story. Last night you realized you needed something additional for the show, so you had to go to work.
Yes, last night I realized that I didn't have any t-shirts with my business stuff on there, so I wanted to play around and actually threw this t-shirt right into Lazer last night, ran it first time, and there you go.
A tremendous versatility. You can go from stone to wood to metal, all kinds of stuff, and you can do barrels, of course. Let's take a look and see how our Motorhead barrel is doing here. just finished up, and that looks amazing. You can check out AP Lazer, all the cool stuff it can do. Find them at aplazer.com. And you can find us coming up next, because there's more Motorhead Garage presented by NHOU Protective Coatings right around the corner.